Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Henry Bird and John Owen. This very beautiful chess game was played in London in 1868. Henry Bird had white pieces and he started with e4, black to move. What would Owen play against e4? Well, he didn't like any defenses all the time, so he invented his own b6, the Owen defense. d4, the standard move, even in the 21st century. Bishop to b7, attacking the pawn on e4. Bishop to d3, defending. e6, knight to e2, c5, attacking white center. Henry Bird castled kingside. Black to move, c4, trading less valuable c-pawn for the more valuable e-pawn. Bishop takes pawn on c4, bishop takes pawn on e4, knight from b to c3, attacking the bishop. Indeed, e-pawn is more valuable, but winning that pawn cost black precious time. Bishop to b7, white to move. How would you continue? Henry Bird played the sharpest move, d5. Queen to c7. E takes on d5 is not recommended. The knight takes on d5, and if bishop takes on d5, queen to d5, and black pieces are ready for another game. Back to our game. Queen to c7, attacking the bishop on c4. Queen to d3, a6. Bishop to f4. Obviously, white has a better activity of the pieces. e5, bishop to g3, b5, bishop to b3, bishop to c5, king to h1, d6. White to move, and to play a move that is asking to be played. What move is that? If your opponent in a castle, you naturally want to open the e-file. f4 was played. Pawn takes pawn on f4. Knight takes pawn on f4. Knight to e7, queen to f3, and now knight to f5. What's wrong with castling? This is what Henry Bird had in mind. Knight to e6. If pawn takes knight, then queen takes rook, checkmate. And what else? If queen to c8, knight takes rook, queen takes knight, knight to e4, and white wins. Back to our game. Knight to f5. Rook from a to e1, check. King to d8. Queen to g4. Queen to d7. Bishop to h4, check. King to c7. Let's take it back. If knight takes on h4. Queen takes knight, check. King to c8. Rook to e7. Back to our game. King to c7. And the black king is hoping to be safe among his own soldiers. Knight to d3. Knight takes on h4. Queen takes on h4, threatening rook to e7. f6. But now the white rook visited the very juicy e6 square. Rook to e6. King to b6. White to move. How would you continue now? Henry Bird played knight takes on c5, and black must recapture with the king. King takes knight. Queen to f2, check. King to b4. And the black king is no longer among his own soldiers. White to move. What would you do? White played a move and black resigned, and the move is queen to b6, preventing black king from going home. Owen resigned in view of a3, threat, checkmate. Wow, what a brilliantly played game by Henry Bird. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.